Hi there, welcome back to the next video. And in this video, I will show you some of the examples related to the searches. So if you remember from our previous video, let me see by going into the edit and whether I have put it here. No. So what I have used in one of the previous video is the star as a wildcard operator. So for example, over here, if I remove this p function, which I showed it in the previous video, and just remove this as well, and within the curly brackets I would say anything that is having star air. Star basically indicates that any word prior to air, so that means express air or regular air. So that was in ship mode, so let me change the category to ship mode, otherwise the value will not come. Hold on, made some wrong selection. Shape mode. All right, so anything that is ending with air, give me the sales for that. So if I click apply, and you see that 8.69 for express air and regular air. And if you have particular fixed word, one single fixed word or two single fixed word, so for example, some sort of a short form or some category that you want to fix. Say for example, the first three letters, question mark, use the question mark for one single letter, question, space, and anything like delivery. For example, air delivery, or any three letters which is coming prior to this delivery and space, it will gonna pick it up. So if you want to handle multiple characters, use star that I told, and if you have a specific characters at the end, at the medium, at the middle, or at the end, then you can use this question mark in that case. So both of them are at our disposal to use it and making the right number out. So that's one thing. Another thing is about searching by numerical category. So things like getting the sales only for those orders where order value is basically greater than 1,000. That means sales is more than $1,000. So what we can do is we can simply specify the sales, and then over here I need, within the double quotes, I need to say greater than 1,000. So wherever the value of sales is greater than 1,000, it will give me the output. So if I click apply, and 13.34 millions is basically the sum of sales for those orders which were having the sales value greater than 1,000. And similarly, if you are interested in getting 10,000, you can just specify 10,000, click apply, and see that 4.83 million is the total order value for all those orders which were of 10,000 or more. So, or if you want to include 10,000, you can simply specify equals to, greater than equals to $10,000, and you will get a similar value around the same thing. And if you are interested in further complicating it, where you want to say that you want greater than equals to 10,000 but less than equals to 50,000, that's how you can specify it. Click apply, and you see that number is changing from 4.8 to 4.74. So couple of different ways by which you can specify. I know once we go into the development, the things become more and more complex, but this is just some of the gist I wanted to give you about the searching in the set analysis, about what are the different things that you can do and achieve it based on your complexity of solution or the business rule. So that's pretty much it I have for you in this video, and I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.